I've got 7 side gigs that are great for teenagers and are relatively untapped, offering the potential to make over $900 a day or more. Most of these require minimal upfront investment. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Car detailing is a booming $14.5 billion industry, and it shows no signs of slowing down. It's not just the big car wash chains that rake in profits. Countless individuals are making substantial monthly incomes ranging from $30,000 to $75,000 and beyond with a car detailing side hustle, which requires very little initial capital. Now here's where you come in. Many people are willing to pay good money to have their cars professionally washed and detailed. Typically, folks charge anywhere from $100 to $300 per car, depending on the vehicle size and the services provided. For instance, if a customer wants you to wax, vacuum, deep clean the interior, and wash the exterior, you can easily charge $400 to $550, depending on the car's size. On average, a quick detail job takes about 30 minutes, and you can bill up to $160 for the service. Imagine working 3 hours a day detailing 6 cars. You'd be working less than half the time of most people's 8-hour workdays and still make $960 daily. Double those hours to 6, including twice the cars, and you could be raking in up to $2,000 a day. To get started, utilize all the free resources available on your trusty smartphone. You can also post free ads on platforms like Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace or join local Facebook groups. For a rapid business boost, consider investing $50 in hundreds of door hanger flyers from Vistaprint and distribute them in high-end neighborhoods. When I left my corporate job a few years back, one of my first money-making ventures was building and hosting websites. At my peak, I was earning up to $80,000 a year. What's incredible is that I had zero prior experience when I began, yet I was still able to make some serious cash. Now, when most people think of website building, they might envision coding and developing sites from scratch, which can take years to learn. But this can be further from the truth. I barely had to touch a line of code. There were tools at my disposal that enabled me to construct fully functional, mobile-responsive websites that generated tens of thousands of dollars. Here's the deal. I'd charge clients a couple of grand to build their websites, and I'd offer to host those sites on my server for an additional $50 per month. I had several clients for whom I was hosting websites, which meant I earned hundreds of dollars monthly on top of my web development income. You're probably wondering, how can I do this too? Well, the first thing you need is a website host. It will require a small investment, but you'll quickly recoup your cost and then some. Head over to cloudways.com, the top WordPress web host platform. Click Start Free and follow the setup process. Then click Install and the server will set up in just a few minutes. Now that you have your web hosting sorted, it's time to find clients. If you're 18 or older, you can use platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to discover new clients. You can also try cold emailing local businesses or even visit them in person to pitch your services. If you're under 18 and can't use platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, ask friends and family if they know anyone in need of a website. You can also post free ads on Craigslist or local Facebook groups and attend small business meetups to build connections and kickstart your hustle. It's all about having the courage to put yourself out there. Once you land your first client, the rest becomes easier. What began as a side gig can grow into a full-fledged 6-figure business or more. For free money and stocks, you can snag 12 free stocks worth up to $30,600 by opening a Webull account and depositing any amount of money. It's practically free money. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Online, you'll find countless success stories of teenagers who've turned landscaping side hustles into 6-figure and even million-dollar businesses in no time. Many folks think it's impossible for teenagers, but it's not. Take a look at how these kids who, at just 14 years old, run their own landscaping and lawn mowing company. They're booked solid until July, earning thousands of dollars. They're doing mulching and trimming, and they even have employees. It's incredible. And they don't need a car or top-of-the-line equipment. You can start a landscaping business with as little as $50 and earn well over $22,000 a month. Get a used mower for $50, basic rakes and shovels for around $10 each, and a large garbage can for $20. All in all, you can kickstart this hustle with less than $100 and easily earn a six-figure income. To find clients, leverage the free resources at your disposal. Post ads on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or relevant Facebook groups. Attend local small business meetups to make connections and jumpstart your side gig. This next side hustle is incredibly unique, and you've probably never heard of it. Most people know that the sneaker industry is massive, with an $86 billion market. Sneakerheads love having fresh kicks, but over time, they get dirty, and that's where you come in. Legit Services offer sneaker cleaning, charging anywhere from $30 for a standard clean to as much as $70, not including any extras. For example, if you clean your shoes for an average of $50 each and it takes about 30 minutes per pair, you could clean 2 pairs per hour for 4 hours, raking in about $400 in just 4 hours of work. You can find clients by posting ads on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or Instagram. Share before and after photos of the shoes you've cleaned on Instagram, use relevant tags, and watch the business roll in. There's a legitimate and growing market for sneaker cleaning and restoration. It's cheap to start, easy to learn, and you can even buy sneakers, clean and restore them, and sell them at a profit. Pressure washing is a side gig that doesn't demand much skill but can earn you a doctor's salary. Within a year, you can scale this up to a six-figure business. Teens are making well over six figures, even up to $144,000 per year with a pressure washing gig that takes just about a year to get off the ground. The initial investment is small, requiring just a few $100 for a pressure washer. Finding clients can be as simple as offering your services to friends and family, posting ads on Craigslist, or setting up a free Google My Business profile. The beginning is challenging, but hard work pays off. Launching a social media marketing agency has made many teenage millionaires. While it's more competitive now, there's still a massive opportunity. Social media marketing involves boosting a company's sales, brand awareness, or website traffic through social media platforms. You can charge businesses a monthly fee for your services, and if you have 10 clients paying you $10,000 per month, you'll be earning $100,000 monthly, or about $1.2 million annually. The best part is, the overhead costs are close to nil. You guys are amazing, and I believe in you. You can achieve anything you set your mind to. Take care. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money ADS. See you in the next video.